So, time comes when I'm going to deliver the last e lecture of this session. Are you ready to evaluate yourself in terms of keywords you must know and back exercises of chapter 14? Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Ready to learn science with me? Let's go. Today we are going to cover page number 225, 226 and 227. Let's start from the keywords. What is animal fiber? Animal fiber is the fiber obtained from animals. Next one is balls. Balls are the fruits of cotton plant from where we get cotton fiber. Next is what is dyeing? Dyeing is the process of coloring the cloth. This is all about the keywords given at page number 225. Let's move towards page number 226 to discuss about the keywords given there. First one is fabric. Fabric is the cloth which is made from the fibers. When these fibers are woven or knitted, we get a fabric, or you can say cloth. Now, the next one is fiber. Fiber is the thin and long continuous strand used for making clothes. जिससे क्लोथ बनाए जाते हैं उन लंबे धागों को फाइबर बोलते हैं. What is fleece? Fleece is the body coat of animals like sheep, goat or camel. The next one is the finishing. Finishing is the process of making clothes smooth and soft. What are natural fibers? Fibers obtained from natural sources like plants and animals. And next keyword is plant fibers. Fibers obtained from plants like jute, cotton, coconut, that is coir, etc. Next one is printing. What is printing? Printing is the process to give dyed cloth the attractive appearance by printing different patterns on it. What is spinning? Spinning is the process of twisted the raw fibers together to make yarns. Or what are yarns? Yarns are the long threads. Now, what are synthetic fibers? Fibers made from chemicals that are prepared in factories. And the last one is weaving. The process of making clothes from yarns is known as weaving. Now we are going to discuss about you must know, and our whole chapter is briefed in 7 points in all in you must know. First one is different types of fibers are used to make clothes. Do you agree? Yes. Next one is fibers can be natural or synthetic. Agree? Yes. What are natural fibers? Obtained from either the plants or from animals. And what are the examples of natural fibers? Cotton, jute, coir, linen are example of plant fiber. Can you tell me the name of animal fibers? Silk and wool are the example. And next one is what are synthetic fibers? The fibers which are manufactured in the factory by using chemicals are called synthetic fibers. Nylon, rayon, terylene are some of the examples of synthetic fibers. Now, the last point given there is we use the process of spinning, weaving, dyeing, printing, finishing, and tailoring in the process of production of cloth. In that sequence, to get the cloth we wear, these are made from natural or synthetic fibers. This is all about you must know. Now we are going to do the back exercises. First one is the fill in the blanks. Number one, cotton plants grows well in which type of soil? Black. Are you ready for second? Cotton is obtained from the dash of the cotton plant called dash. Answer is fruit of the cotton plant called the balls. Now the third one, the body coat of sheep is called what? Answer is fleece. What will be the answer? Fleece is the answer there. Number 4, wool is obtained from the body coat of animals like dash, dash and dash. Answer is sheep, goat, camel, etc. Body coat of these animals is called fleece. Now the last one, jute is obtained from the bark of the jute plant. Bark means the skin of the stem. हिंदी में छाल बोलते हैं जिसे, उस that is the actually the jute fiber we use to make jute bags, etc. Now match the following. Fibers into thread is done with the help of spinning, and thread into fabric with the help of weaving. Now the third one, this is the turn to third one. Coloring the fiber is known as what? That is known as dyeing. Number 4, making patterns on fabric. This is so simple. Have you remembered? That is called the printing. And the last one, making fabric smooth and shiny. That process is known as finishing. The left behind match the following of ours. Now this is all about match the following. Are you ready for the next, and that is last one, MCQs. Number 1, which of these is not a man-made fiber? Answer is linen, because linen is the natural fiber. And remaining 3, nylon, terylene and rayon are the example of synthetic fiber. Now the next one, from the following, the only incorrectly matched pair is silk mulberry, jute stem, cotton seeds, coir, outer covering of coconut. Here, dear student, what is given is, as you know, mulberry is associated with silk production. From the stem of jute, we get the jute fiber. From the seeds of cotton, we get the cotton fiber. That is the incorrect one. Here must be balls instead of seeds. So this is the incorrectly pair. Remaining are correct. So cotton seeds is the incorrectly pair there. Now the next MCQ. The process of pulling and twisting of strands to make fiber is known as what? That is known as spinning. Fourth one, weaving is done by using machines called what? That is looms. And the last one, jute and cotton plants grows well respectively. सबसे पहले जूट की सॉइल बतानी है हमें, कौन सी? एलुवियल सॉइल में. एंड व्हाट अबाउट द कॉटन प्लांट? ब्लैक सॉइल. सो एलुवियल एंड ब्लैक सॉइल इज द correct answer of the MCQ. So dear student, this is all about the syllabus of our 6th class. Now you will revise your syllabus, what is coming in the second term, and again I will recommend you that keep a close eye on each garment coming in your way to connect yourselves what you get from your chapter 14, fabric from fibers. See you soon, dear students, during the live class. Till then, happy learning. Thank you. Have a good day.